In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer music from a MacBook to an iPhone without a cable. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The main method to transfer files, photos, and of course music between a MacBook and an iPhone without using a cable is through AirPlay. Other methods exist, and you can even find third-party tools that allow you to do this. However, AirPlay makes this super convenient, and it is already built into both devices, so you don't need to download any additional applications. So it is the method that I'm going to be highlighting in this video. So first, if you go over to the Finder, you can find AirDrop here. If you don't see the AirDrop option, don't worry, just go over to the settings of your MacBook and look for the AirPlay category. Ensure that AirPlay has been enabled and is allowed. Now, once you click on AirDrop, by default, there will be nothing here, and you can change the preferences. So make sure that you set it to either contacts only or everyone. Once you change it from no one to either of these two, now you have to set it up on your iPhone. So go to the Network Preferences, under the Control Center, usually where you manage your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, and so on. And under this panel, you will find AirDrop. So once again, make sure that you change it from off, or rather no one, to either contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes. Choose whichever one you prefer. Once this is good to go, now go back into Finder and your iPhone should appear on this list as long as it is on close proximity with your MacBook. If you want to ensure that this works, make sure that both of them are on the same network. With this done, you can now go into any other folder that contains songs, files, photos, videos, whatever it is that you want to transfer, and now highlight all of them and then drag and drop. There's no secret to this. So you click, hold down, and then drag it into this category here. You will then be able to drag them directly into the iPhone window. And upon doing this, you will get a warning on your iPhone. Your MacBook would like you to share these files, just accept, and you will receive all of them directly on your iPhone. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.